seeds acupuncture for anxiety, weight loss, and back pain. Ear seeds are surging in popularity in the wellness world. Proponents claim they can end insomnia, reduce chronic pain, cut stress, cure addiction, and boost weight loss. But are these claims really true? In this video, we will look at the actual scientific evidence for ear seeds to understand what they are really effective for. What are ear seeds? Ear seeds are tiny ceramic or metal balls that are used to stimulate pressure points in the ear. They are a form of auriculotherapy, which means acupuncture that focuses on the ears. Ear seeds use the principles of traditional Chinese medicine to improve the flow of energy in your body. This energy travels along invisible pathways known as meridians. Ear seeds are placed on meridian lines in the ear to clear up energy blockages. This is meant to heal a variety of health conditions. Is there any evidence that they work? Despite the various health claims surrounding ear seeds, so far, the science shows they are clinically effective for just 2 health conditions. Let's go over them. Pain relief. A 2013 medical trial run by the University of Pittsburgh looked at whether people living with chronic back pain could use ear seeds to reduce pain and improve mobility. Participants were divided into 2 groups. The first had ear seeds placed on points related to back pain. The other group had ear seeds placed at random points on the ear. The first group reported much better results after 4 weeks of treatment. Participants noticed pain decrease of 75%, which is a big achievement. The improvement lasted for at least a month. Insomnia. A 2015 analysis in the Journal of Complementary and Alternative Medicine looked at 15 existing studies on auricular acupuncture with ear seeds for insomnia. The authors found that combined, the studies indicated that ear seeds were able to reduce insomnia symptoms and improve the quality of sleep. They found that sleep duration increased while the number of times participants woke up at night was reduced. Are ear seeds safe? Ear seeds are non-invasive and do not require the use of needles, so there is a much lower risk of infection or bleeding compared to standard acupuncture. However, if you have sensitive skin or dermal allergies, the seeds might cause irritation. In rare instances, users developed sores around the seeds. This is often due to not letting the ears rest before applying new seeds. What's the bottom line? The scientific evidence supporting the benefits of ear seeds is limited, making many of the claims about their uses hard to prove. However, existing research does suggest ear seeds can provide relief from pain and help to alleviate insomnia. They would make a safe and cost-effective complementary treatment for these 2 health conditions.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day!